What up, everybody? So this is going to be a review on PrimeXBT. If you want to check this out, I will leave a link in the description. If you're from the United States or certain other regulated territories, you cannot access this website through like a U.S. IP address or certain other countries. I think Netherlands you can't do it from, but they do not require any info. But if you are from a good country that allow where this is good, you can actually do your KYC and get a bonus. So you know, I'm in the USA. All I do is update my network. I'm connecting out of France. They don't require any information from me here. So that's what it is. You do have to report all your earnings on your taxes, guys. So if you're going to use this, and if you're in a restricted area, you're going to have to figure out how to report that properly. And I'm just going to figure it out when I get there. And I'm making profits right now. I've this PrimeXBT has. Let me show you the referral section. So this has a 4-tiered affiliate reward system. I got locked out of a previous account where I had tons of referred users, and I had been making thousands of dollars off of referred users, because every time they make a trade, you get a cut of the commissions from the trade, the fees. So there's a direct, level 2, level 3, level 4. So it's a 4-tiered affiliate system. Honestly, you can make more off of referring than you can off of trading if you can refer people that actually use the system and trade. So that's just a little bit on this program. But I'm going to go select trade here. And I started with about $79 in my account. I have a balance of $94 worth of Bitcoin. And you can also choose to use US dollar as your base currency. But I'm using Bitcoin as my base currency. So every time I buy and sell and make a profitable trade, I get more Bitcoin. Okay. So I'm going to go to the trade history section, and so I'm just setting up these limit orders, and I'm basically doing manual grid trading where I just and somewhat of a martingale strategy. Like if it goes down and down more and I keep opening up more positions, I will actually increase the amount on the positions as it goes down, like from 04 to 06 to 08, etc. And just in an attempt to scalp the market, just by buying and selling. Buy lower, sell higher. That's what trading is. So I'm gonna go to the trade history here, and there was a limit buy sell order that executed. So we're gonna see what it was here. So here's my latest two. See, I got nothing but green everywhere. All these trades are profitable. I'm getting several trades per day, earning anywhere between like 0.5% up to 2, or between 1 and 2% typically. This one's 2.54. But basically just trimming down profits out of the market. You know what I mean? So we'll see what order this was. So these two sold recently at 9:02 and 9:03 p.m. my time. I think, I don't know. Yeah. So I'm gonna reopen some positions for kind of these amounts, and I'll show you how I do that. So I'm gonna go to trade, And on this section of the all markets section, I'm going to scroll down and find Bitcoin USD. So this program gives you up to 100% leverage, but I believe that's only on this trading pair. And sometimes there are bonuses where they can give you 200% leverage. There's promotional codes. You can get all kinds of deposit bonuses on this. And trust me, this is not financial advice. Yeah, y'all have to do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just documenting what I do here. So on the BTC USD pair, I'm gonna click trade over here on the right. I'm just gonna click trade. So some buy and sell orders I had previously put in here on limit executed. So I'm gonna go ahead and select limit. Market means right now. Market means right now price. So I'm going to go to limit and I'll set a price that I want it to buy. So I'm programming this to buy at a certain price at a certain amount. We'll do 0.004 on this one. So yeah, this does give you 100 times leverage of what you put in. So if you put in $1,000, you could make up to a $100,000 trade. Basically borrowing their money, making a trade, and then taking all the profits minus the fees, which are pretty decent, not bad. So I'm going to set the limit price. I'm going to go ahead and set that to 20,100 on this one. So if the price falls back down, this is going to purchase a position for me automatically. And I'll set another one for 20,000. So the 0.004 I'm going to set for 20,100. Then I'm going to select the place stop loss take profit. If the most responsible thing to do is set a stop loss, but being at the bottom of the market, like Bitcoin's bottom for the last couple years, we're just barely off of that at 17,000 or so. So I'm not worried about setting the stop loss, but I'm going to go ahead and set the take profit. So I'm going to buy 0.004 Bitcoin when the price hits 2,000 or 20,100. And I'm going to set the take profit price. So here's the stop loss take profit area. So here's if you want to set the stop loss, you could click that and do it there. But I'm going to go down and I'm going to click this field and take profit. And I'm going to set the take profit price for, say, 20,500. So if the price dips back down, it's going to pick up a position at 2,000 or at 20,100. And it's just going to automatically sell at 20,500. If I happen to be busy, it's going to take profit for me. I'm setting this up. So it does it automatically. And then I'm going to go ahead and send this order and confirm it. And down here are the orders that have not been filled. So I have that 0.004 that hasn't been filled. I have another order. So if the price goes down to 19,700, it's going to pick up 0.006 Bitcoin. That has a take profit setting on it as well. So I'm going to go ahead and do one more. I'm going to do 0.006 at 20,000. So up here in the all markets area, in the BTC USD, I'm going to click trade and I'm going to set up another limit buy and take profit. I like this site because like in DeFi, if you do limit trades, it doesn't let you do a limit buy and then set it to sell at the same time. You have to wait for it to buy and then react from there. So and I've used this website since 2019 or so, and I have lost some money, and I have been liquidated before several times. This is not financial advice. You have to really use this responsibly. Do not use more than 10% of your available margin. That's my personal thing. I will not use, if my available margin goes under 90%, I will not set up any more buys at all. So I'm going to go 0.006 on this one. And hang in there for a little while, you guys. I'm going to show you all my trade. I'll show you my trade history one more time. I'm making, maybe 3 to 5% per day, depending on the volatility. So I'm going to hit that take profit. Actually, I need to set that back to limit, and this will allow me to set it this buy. So this is a setting. So when the price goes to 20,000 straight up, it's going to buy 0.006. So I'm going to set that limit price to $20,000. Straight up $20,000. And then I'm going to click this place stop loss take profit. I'm not going to worry about the stop loss, so I'm going to go ahead and click this take profit. And I'll put the same amount in there. I'll just put, we'll take profit at 20,500. Chances are I will check this tomorrow and I'll see that it's up, or a couple days from now, and I'll see it's somewhere in the range of profit, and I'll take profits manually. But if I happen to be sleeping or doing something else and it goes up to 20,500, it's going to go ahead and take profit for me, and I'll earn a good about $2 or $3 on that trade at the current prices. So skimming and scalping the market, just taking small percentage chunks of profit, buying in and selling out for a profit, and that's what trading is all about. And it's a little bit technical, but it's getting easier. If you just, no matter what it is you want to do, you can just practice and it gets easier. There's a lot of things to know about this. So I'm gonna go ahead and send that order. So I'm gonna buy 0.006. If the price goes down to $20,000, limit buy, and I'm going to go ahead and take profit at 20,500. I'm going to confirm that trade. And now this is on autopilot from here on out. If it goes down to these numbers, it's going to buy and sell automatically. And here are my open trades where I bought these when the price was up more. And I'm at a loss on these. So my current balance total is $94.77. But my equity, if I were to liquidate these positions right now, would be $87.18. But I only started with $79 like 3 or 4 days ago. So, and I'll go to my trade history and I'll let you check out all these trades I did. It's like I said, it's only been a few days. I have used this program a lot in the past, so I know how it works. And it's not decentralized, guys. This is a CeFi trading platform. It's banned from all the, I don't know, all the good countries, I guess. But yeah, like I said, just update your network. So I earned 2,782 Satoshi there for 0.7% gain, 3,051 for a 0.5% gain, and that was today. 2,221 Satoshi, 0.37% gain. 12,334 Satoshi, 2.06% gain. And over here is the gain on the margin, because I'm borrowing money and making bigger trades than the money I have. It's like you put a deposit and you can borrow up to 100 times your deposit. And I will leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. Just be careful. This is not financial advice. So yeah, 2.08%, 1.43%, 2.54%, 1.08%, and believe me, I'm just gonna fill this. I'm gonna fill this row up. I'm gonna have nothing but green lights. Because I finally figured this out and how to use it. Use this responsibly. So I have an unrealized profit of -$8. That's for my open positions, but they ain't nothing. So I'll go to trade and show you. So I got all these open positions. For this is more Bitcoin than what I have in my balance here. It lets you trade with more than what you have. So that's 3 times what I have right here. And then I have more orders here. And so in this area here, you can slide that over to the right. And I still have an available margin of 98.6% available. So out of my margin account, I've only used $1.22 of my available margin. And like I said, you want to keep this in the 90s. If you get this down in the 50 or 40% range and the prices dip, it's going to liquidate you, and it's going to take your money. So that's the risk you take on when using leverage or margin trading. All right, guys. So that's it. I just want to kind of update you on that. This is some tech savvy stuff, but if you want to check it out. And there's many more videos on this platform online. This is one of the best margin trading sites out there on the internet. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.